Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. If you are new on this channel, then hi, my name is Simran and I create makeup tutorials for you all. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And today in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to create a night party look, that too in an easy way. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So guys, first thing first, I'm going to moisturize my face. So once I'm done moisturizing my face, next I'm going to prime it using my Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Serum. After this, I'm going to apply my BB cream. And after this, I'm going to pack my under eyes with my concealer. And once I'm done with my concealer, next I'm going to set it using my loose powder. And after this, I'm going to apply my lip balm so that my lips also feel hydrated and they are not dried up. And next I'm going to start with my eye makeup. So to start with my eye makeup, first I'm going to conceal my eyes. And after concealing my eyes, next I'm going to take any light shade eyeshadow and apply it all over my eyelid. I'm going to use this cream shade from my Sephora eyeshadow palette. Make sure that you apply it with a very light hand. You just have to create the base. Guys, can you see the difference in both the eyes? That's why I say whenever you are starting with your eye makeup, it's very important that you prepare the base. For my today's look, I'm going to use this brush which is from Sephora. And to start with my today's eye look, first I'm going to take this shade from the Sephora eyeshadow palette and start drawing my outline. Now make sure for this look, first you have to create your outline, and that you have to do with a very light hand. And then I am going to create a false wing. You can see that I am doing it with a very light hand so that if at all I have to change the outline, I can do it very easily. Now these are a few tips and tricks for this eye look. And make sure that whenever you are drawing your outline, you look straight in the mirror. Guys, if you are following me from the start, then you must be knowing that I have created this channel especially for beginners. So that's why I show my looks in a very detailed manner. Now once I'm happy with the wing I have created, next I'm going to take the black eyeshadow in the same brush and define this wing. Now whenever you are working with a black eyeshadow, make sure that you are very careful, because once a black eyeshadow goes wrong, it is very difficult to correct it. That's why for this look, first I have applied a light shade eyeshadow, and then once I'm confirmed with the look, now I'm going to darken it with the black eyeshadow. Next, once you have darkened your wing, then just blend it outwards a little to give the shadow effect. For smudging out the black eyeshadow a bit, if you want, you can take your blending brush as well, but I'm going to do it with the same brush. You see how the smoke effect is being created? So guys, once you are done with this is how it looks. And next I'm going to apply the concealer over my eyelid. For applying my concealer, I'm going to use this flat brush which already has a concealer on it. Now this is how the eye looks. It can look a little clumsy if you are doing it for the first time, but with practice you can ace this look. And next I'm going to apply this silver eyeshadow. Now after this, I'm going to move towards my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use my Sugar Cosmetics Brow Definer, which is in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. And guys, after my eyebrows, I'm going to apply my Lakme Shine Line eyeliner. Now after my eyeliner, I'm going to apply my black kajal. And guys, after this I'm going to take my black eyeshadow and apply it on the lower side of my eye. And guys, with this my one eye is all done. You can see the difference in both the eyes, and next I'm going to complete this eye and get back to you. So guys, I have done my second eye as well, and I saw that there was a little bit of black eyeshadow underneath my eye, so I wiped off that, and next I am going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And guys, with this my eyes are all done, and now I'm going to quickly finish up with my face. Next, I'm going to add some highlighter to my look. And guys, after this, I'm going to add a lipstick to my look. So guys, our look is complete, and now let's get ready for the party.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
So guys, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section below your views about this look. Also, don't forget to try out this look and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's go for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are